Oh, yes!
Nice.
Behold C.A. Cupid, adopted daughter of Eros, the god of love.
She currently attends Monster High, but is about to discover that another school is in need of her very special talents.
Fairy tale destinies are now anything but certain.
Will princesses end up with their princes? Will the rebel students now find true love?
These relationships will need Cupid's help to end happily ever after.
Hello, fair lady of love. I am Hopper Croakington II, and I am in desperate need of your counsel.
I know just what every frog needs to become a prince.
But lady, wait!
Hey there, you're Cupid. I think they should call you Cute-pid. Ugh, when I get tongue-tied, I turn back.
Blast! If only I possessed my poetic skills while in human form, but so flustered I become near the beauty that is Briar.
You know what? I got this. Tell me how you feel about Briar.
Well, there is none that can...
Hopper! Wait, you're the secret admirer who wanted to meet here? I mean, look, first you send me a basket of chocolate-covered flies, then a smelly bouquet of swamp grass. I'm sorry, but
what you said on the beach yesterday?
I want to go to the dance with you.
No,
My sweet
I don't think so. Hey, I just remembered there's this sick view from the pier. Let's go.
No,
Hopper,
I really
I've
want to see
never
this.
seen
this side of you.
It looks really good.
Hey, Cupid.
It's the best surfing movie ever.
Dexter.
Oh, anything else you want to say?
Aw, thanks, you're sweet.
Oops. You're just so... I mean...
Blast!
Ew.
Oh, ribbit.